Hi everyone, I am Wira. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the arm robots. But what kind of arm robot that we want to make? No, of course not that one. That one is the most expensive arm robots that I know, and we need special skills to make it. Today I'm gonna show you how to make very simple arm robots. We only need some materials that we can find around us, such as a used cardboard for the frame and some glue. But the most important part is we need to use Arduino. You can use any Arduino you want. Start from Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega. This one is Arduino Mega, or Arduino DUE, or Arduino Nano or Micro. It's fine, you can use it, don't worry about it. And then the other part is, this small part is servo. I'm using servo from Koimat. It says it's 9G, but I don't know what is it. But the only things that I care is the servo can lift weight around 1.6 kilograms. So that's all I need. And then we also need potentiometer. This potentiometer, we will use it as the sensors. So today I'm going to let you know step-by-step process on making the arm robots. In this part, I want to tell you how to arrange the potentiometers as the sensors and how we will do it. Let's check it out.
Untuk controllernya kita pakai breakout board and potensio, lalu kita membutuhkan kabel. Seperti yang kita tahu bahwa potensio itu dua pin ini itu adalah positif dan negatif, sedangkan pin tengahnya output sensor. Lalu bagaimana cara merangkainya? Simple, kita tinggal masukkan aja ini di bagian berapa seperti ini, lalu ditekan aja sekuat-kuatnya. Kalau patah gimana? Beli lagi. Lalu kemudian kita pasangkan untuk pin bebas ya, karena di sini ada 3, 1, 2, 3. Jadi mau yang bagian kanan positif atau bagian kiri yang positif bebas, asal seragam aja. Jadi nanti kita buat lebih dari 1 dan itu akan seragam. Saya pakai yang kanan yang negatif. Saya biasakan kalau negatif pakai kabel hitam, kalau nggak ada kabel yang warnanya gelap. Tujuannya untuk apa? Ya untuk mempermudah aja untuk mengingat. Ini kita hubungkan ke negatif, lalu kemudian satunya positif. Oke, seperti ini. Kalau sampai salah nggak apa-apa guys, tenang aja. Paling hanya nggak kebaca. Nanti habis ini kita cek bisa terbaca apa enggak. Terus nanti outputnya di bagian tengah sini. Gini guys, nanti ini outputnya. Lalu untuk VCC dan juga groundnya, ini saya bakal ambil dari Arduino. Jadi ini saya pasangkan positif di sini dan negatif di sini. Aku pakai warna biru tua aja, nih guys. Jadi dua kabel ini, merah sama biru, nanti masuk ke Arduino, ground dan VCC. Yang di sini, yang putih ini masuk ke analog pin. Kita tinggal pasang aja semuanya. Kita bakal pakai 4 sensor. So here it is. After your assembling parts, you're gonna assemble these parts as a sensors in this Arduino Mega. So first of all, we should find the ground and also the VCC. Here it is, the 2 parts. I can see the ground there. And I will use 5 volts for the VCC. It's right here. Alright, we need to attach the other part to the analog pin. Here is the analog pin, the A0 to A15 for Arduino Mega. So I'm gonna put this in A0 and A1 and A2 and A3 and A4. This is it. It's already finished. And then you just need to connect this one into your PC. Alright, so here it is. We have 4 potentiometers and we want to read all of the potentiometers. So how we're gonna do it? Here it is. The first part is we need to declare all of the 4 variables. So for example, if I'm gonna name the potentiometers as VAL, so I can say ent means integers, file 1, and then file 2, file 3, file 4. That's for the first potentiometers, second potentiometers, third and fourth. This part means I introduce the name of the potentiometers to the Arduino, and then as usual we'll use void setup, and then I will write here Serial.begin. And the Serial.begin is important when we want to do a serial read in these programs. So you need to define this one. If you are using LCD, you don't need Serial.begin. And then we write void loop. So void loop is loop parts, part programs that will be read by the Arduino continuously. So and here we can directly set this one because we only want to read. I can just say file 1 equals to analog read A0. So value 1 is the first potentiometers. We put the first potentiometers in the analog 0. So the first potentiometers is the analog 0. Means we want to read the value 1 at A0. And then for A1, A2, and A3, we just need to copy this one. Just like this one. And change this one A2 and A3. So you see, isn't it? Wow! And then I will print this one as a character. So we just need to write char and then text for T here, and then we can print the text by using this one, text. This one, the percent D resemble the column, and this one slash and mark means that this is the end of the column, and then we can write the value from file 1 to file 3 here. Here it is, and we can say Serial.print here, and I will give a delay for 10 milliseconds. That's it. The program is simple. In order to compile, because this one I just write and I don't know whether it is correct or not, in order to ensure there is no error in my programs, I just need to verify it. Alright, there is an error here. We shouldn't put this one because we use copy and paste. Do you remember that? So we shouldn't use copy and paste. Damn! There is a little typo here. Void does not name type, so it should be void. Here we still have one words. Should write it in a capital. And yeah, we are done. There is no error for now. And let's see, we are gonna upload it to my Arduino Mega. Here it is, and we should choose the port. Should be Arduino Mega, this one 2560, and then define the ports is COM port 8 here, and then let's upload it. Alright, so it is finished. Since we are using Serial.begin here, we can use a serial monitor on here. The serial monitor is around here, Ctrl+Shift+M. Here it is. Damn! So here it is. My program is error. That's only the last one that can be read. So it seems like here you are using all value 1, value 2, and value 1, value 2, value 3, and value 4. We make a mistake here. So you should change this one into value 4, and then here is value 3, and this one is value 2 here, and then save it. So I don't recommend you to do copy paste. That's why, because we easily make some program error. So if I use a value 1, it means that only the last part will be read. So if you want to read value 1, value 2, value 4, you need to change this into different value. So after that, you can try again. Serial monitors here. Wow!
so all of it works perfectly. This Arduino actually have a new things here. You can use serial plotter here. So if you use serial plotter, you can directly read the sensors in real time. Here it is, for example. So how is it? So easy, isn't it? So that's how we are using the potentiometers as the sensors. In the next video, I want to show you how to integrate between the sensors and also the actuators. In this case, the potentiometers as the sensors and also the servo as the actuators. I'll show you how the programming starts step by step so that you can follow easily and you can learn how to program the servo itself. So that's all for this part. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video if you like it. And if you still have any question about the tutorials, you can write down your question below in the comment sections. Don't forget to practice every day because practice makes perfect. So see you in my next video.